Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. This video is all about Facebook page tutorial. In this video, I will guide you step by step process to create a Facebook page. Starting from what should be the ideal name for your Facebook page, no matter whether you are a personal brand or a business entity or an organization or an NGO or anything. This tutorial is applicable for all kind of entity. Apart from that, I will give you some tips and tricks so that you can make a dynamic Facebook page to promote yourself if you want to get popular among the online community, or if you want to get more profits from your business by getting extra visibility in the market. No matter whether you have a cake shop or a shoe shop or any kind of grocery stores or anything else, then you can also have your Facebook page. If you are an organization such as school, college, university or anything, then also you should have a Facebook page. And if you don't have anything, if you are an individual, then also you should have a Facebook page. If you are an individual and if you have some special quality with you and you want to share with among the rest of the world, then Facebook page is also a good option for you. Not only you can share your ideas, your views, your ideology with others, but also you can make a better society by your contribution. So without wasting the time, now I will take you to the PC and I will show you how to create a Facebook page using the PC or laptop. And if you don't have PC and laptop, then you can also create a Facebook page using the smartphone. For that, I have already created a video. You can check the link in the description, or by pressing the I button here, you can watch that video as well. Hello friend, you are watching Tara Tutorials. If you are new to our channel, then I request you to please subscribe our channel Tara Tutorials on YouTube. Watch this video till end, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like and share this video as well. So let's start learning with perfection.
Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
Well, before starting the video, I would like to tell you that you have an option to create Facebook page using the smartphone and also with the help of PC and laptop. So in that case, if you are going to create a Facebook page using the PC or laptop, you need to log in on the www.facebook.com. So you need to visit this website, and then you will be able to create the Facebook page. So independently, it is not possible to create the Facebook page. First, you have to log in into your Facebook account. Once you are logged in, then you will be at the home page. On the home page, at the left pane, you can see an option called pages. You need to click on it. Now, if you already managed any page earlier, then the list of pages managed by you will be displayed on the screen. Apart from the pages which you manage using your Facebook account, you have also option to create another Facebook page using this button, create new page. So just click on the create new page button. Here at the left pane, there you can see that there are some options which you need to be filled up. So first, it is asking what should be the name of the page. This field is very important, name of the page. If you are creating a Facebook page for your business, for your NGO, for your institute, for your organization, for your shop, for your restaurant, then the name of the page should be the name of the venture. But if you are creating a Facebook page for the popularity of yourself, for the personal brand, then you should write your name here. So in my case, I'm creating the Facebook page for my personal brand so that I can share my ideas, views, my ideology, my articles, my blog, my post publicly, and I can interact with the people around the globe. So write the name of the page. As you have seen that once I have written the name of the page, it is being displayed here. Okay. Now the next option is I have to choose the category. Since I am creating the Facebook page for the personal brand, so I have to choose first category as first category as personal blog. Maximum you can choose the 3 category. So next is the next category what I can choose for myself, that I will be teaching some technical stuff. So I will choose teaching, or education also I can choose. And third category I can choose tutor or teacher. The third 3 category I have already chosen. Okay, so maximum 3 category you can choose. If you are creating a page for your business, you can choose retail, you can choose shopping, shopping and retail, shopping service, shopping district, shopping center, clothing shop, coffee shop, shoe shop, anything you can choose as per the choice. So category is also important. Next thing is a description. You should write about what your business does, or what why you are creating the business, this personal brand page, what service you offer, so or what is the purpose of your page. So you must write the description. So as per the category of the Facebook page, you can write the description. In my case, I have already drafted some text as per the category of my page. So I will copy this. I will go to description box and I will paste it. So in the description part, you need to write brief description about your business. It should not be more than 255 characters. So once you have done with that, then you have an option to create a page. Okay, so click on the create page button. Now, once you click on the create page button, you will see that the few more options have been activated. So the next is you need to add the profile photo. So your profile photo will get displayed here. So the correct size of Facebook page profile photo is 170 into 170 pixel. So you need to choose the size of the picture accordingly. If it is your business page, you can choose the logo of the page, business page. If it is your personal brand page, then you can also put your own photo here. So depending upon the type of Facebook page, you can choose the Facebook photo. So if you don't know how to choose the correct size for your Facebook page profile photo, then I will give the link in the description. You can click on the link and watch the video that how to make a perfect Facebook page profile photo using the Pixel Lab app. So I have already made a profile picture for my page. So just I will click on the link here, add profile picture. Now this is the image which I have opted for the profile photo. Okay. Next is you need to add the cover photo for the Facebook page. So I have already explained you that every content you need to display on the cover page should be within this dotted area. Okay, so you need to choose the size of the cover photo very carefully. I have also made video for this. You can watch that video. I will give the link in the description, and you can see how you can create the cover photo for your Facebook page. So I will click on the add cover photo, Here I have already made a cover photo for my Facebook page, so I will choose it. So here you can see that all the information is being displayed here. Now I will choose the mobile. So in mobile also my information is being displayed without any cut from the border side. Well, there is a correction. If you are choosing the size of the profile photo, it should be 180 into 180 pixel rather than 170 into 170 pixel. So now this profile photo is being displayed here. So now I have to just click on the save button. Well, now you can see the message that you are now interacting as this. So now my page is ready. Now there are few more tasks which you need to do before you start using your Facebook page. So first what you have to do is you have to add a button. So click on the add a button. Depending upon the type of the Facebook page, you need to choose the button. If it is a business page, then you can choose the option, say for the book now, view gift cards, get codes, call now, contact us, send message, send email, learn more. But if it is your personal brand, you want to increase the popularity or you want to increase your fan followers, in that case you need to click on the follow button. So now edit follow, here I can see test button, grow your business, edit button, delete button. So there are some options, so I will not do anything. Okay, now you can also choose a unique username for your Facebook page. Okay, for that here you need to click on the create at username button, and here you can choose the usernames. As you can see that the create username is not visible here, that means somebody has already taken up this name. I have to choose something else. So there are some guidelines to choose the unique username for your Facebook page. First is you have to choose the name of your Facebook page that should not be already being used. Then the username should contain only alphanumeric characters. Okay, then username must have at least 5 characters long. Then some signs are not allowed. Then it should not be impersonate someone else. Then your username must adhere with the Facebook terms and conditions. Okay, so after lots of research and after lots of permutation and combination, I got a unique name on Facebook because all the name was already available, Technocrat Chandan Jha. So I will click on the create username, click on the done button. Okay, so here you can see that people can search me either with the name, my name Chandan Jha, or with my unique username for my Facebook page. So far I have only completed 6 out of 13 steps. Now what are the steps which has been left? That is, I need to add the website. So click on the add website button. If you have website for your business, then you can add it. Rest you can leave it here that my page doesn't have website. You can choose this option. Okay, or you can give the name here, that name of the website. So you need to write the name of the website, www.taratutorials.co.in. so that is the name of my website, so I will choose it. Okay, now if your business have some, say, restaurant or the shop or anything else or organization, you can also choose the location. In my case the location is not important. Then you can also choose the business hours if it is a business space. Then you can also add a phone number if you wish, but for the business page it is mandatory. You must add your phone number so that the customers can contact you. Then messaging preference. So here you can connect your WhatsApp with the Facebook page. Okay, if you don't want your WhatsApp should be linked with this, you can leave it as it is. Then you need to invite at least 10 people to add as a follower for your page. Okay, so just click on the invite friends button, and not invited, here it is showing that 1323 selected 0, so I will select all and I will send invitations. Okay, so there may be some policy that it is not working. Okay, so I have to choose only 10 friends to send it. So choose at least 10 or more friends, so I will choose this time only 10 friends. Okay, so I have only selected 11 people from my friend list and I will send invitation. So now invitation has been sent. You can see the message here. So that part I have also done. Now next is I have to create a welcome post. So I have created a welcome post so that all my friends on Facebook can see this welcome post and come to know about my Facebook page. So like that, you can also create a welcome post for your Facebook page. If it is related to your business, then you can add new offers. Then you can add what are the specialty in your business, then what you are going to offer for your business. Then many extra things you can do this. So this is a way how you can create a welcome post. Now I will click on the post button. So now you can see that I have already completed the 9 steps out of 13 steps. What are the 4 steps left? Location info I don't want to add. So I will click here option, this doesn't apply on my page. Business hour is not applicable for my page as it is not a business page, it is a personal brand page. So I will click the option, this doesn't apply for my page. Then I don't want to display my mobile number, okay, right now, so I will save and finish later. And then the messaging preference. So here I can see that you have option to connect with your WhatsApp. Let's see how it connect with the WhatsApp. So it is giving you option, once you connect with the WhatsApp or WhatsApp business account to Facebook, you can add a WhatsApp button on your page and create the WhatsApp ads to place on Facebook. So here it is showing my mobile number and code and all that, but I don't want to do this. Now you can see the 11 out of 13 steps completed. So I will not add the phone number right now, so I will save and finish later. Messaging preference, I don't want to connect with the WhatsApp, but if it is your business page, then you must add WhatsApp so that customer can contact you easily. So only one steps left, that is a phone number that I will add later. So I have already completed all the steps. Okay, so they also give you the option that you can manage your Facebook page and Instagram account together with the business suite. So you can sync your Instagram account with the Facebook page account so that something you publish on your Instagram account that automatically gets published on your Facebook page. So that option also you can also try. So this is all about creating the Facebook page for your personal brand. If you have any query, do write your suggestion or comments in the comment box. I will be glad to help you out. So by that way you can create a Facebook page for your business, for your personal brand, for your NGO, for your organization, etc., etc. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have liked this video, then please like the video by clicking on the like button and share this video as well. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.
Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.